Does your bow hold look really good, but just doesn't feel quite comfortable yet? Chances are you simply need to strengthen certain muscles in your right hand. Hey violinists, it's Rani with Let's Talk Violin. If you haven't already, we highly recommend that you check out our video on the violin bow hold simplified. We'll provide a link for you in the description down below. Here are 2 quick and simple exercises that will put you on the path to having an even more comfortable and solid bow hold. The first step to a stronger right hand is a stronger pinky. Here's a simple exercise that we like to call the Windshield Wiper. Find your bow hold and then simply rotate your wrist left and right like a windshield wiper. While doing this, you want to make sure that your pinky remains curved, your thumb is still loose, and your other fingers are gently hugging the bow. Try to relax any tension you may hold in your hand. Keep going back and forth for 1 minute. You can even watch TV while doing this. Just 1 minute of this a day will dramatically strengthen your right hand. Here is another quick exercise that can make a big difference in your right hand. We call this one the warm. Hold the bow by the wooden stick, and then using only your fingertips, climb all the way to the tip. Try to keep your arm position still and stable while doing this. Once you reach the tip, come back down to the frog. This is a little harder, but don't slide or use the other hand to help you. This will get much easier as your hand gets stronger. Pro tip: the looser your fingers and thumb are, the easier and more effective this exercise will be. And that's it. If you do these exercises for just 1 minute a day, we guarantee that your right hand will get stronger and your bow hold will be even more beautiful. Let us know in the comments down below if you found these exercises helpful. Are there any other exercises or techniques that you would like us to cover? As always, a like and a subscribe would be deeply appreciated so that we can keep making these videos. I'm Rani with Let's Talk About Violin. Keep calm and play on, and I'll see you in the next video.